Hello, this is Nick with nickscomputerfix.com, and here's a quick video on how to reset your Windows 10's laptop and save your files at the same time. Free and easy. Alright, let's go ahead and get started here by going into settings, and there's a couple of different ways to go about it. Here's a few of them. One of them is click on the Action Center icon and then click on All Settings, and that opens up Windows Settings. We can also just as easily go to the Start menu and left click and then click on the Settings icon, and that also opens up Windows Settings. Once you have it open, go ahead and click on Update and Security, and that brings up this window here. And what we want to go ahead and do is on the left hand side here, go down and click on Recovery, and when you do that, that'll open up another window, and sometimes you'll see two options here and sometimes you'll see three. The first one is reset this PC, and then down on the bottom here, restart now under advanced startup. And occasionally you'll see this one, especially if you have recently upgraded from Windows 7 to Windows 10, go back to the previous version of Windows. But we don't want to do anything but click on Get Started under Reset This PC. So let's go ahead and do that. And that'll bring up this prompt here. Choose an option, and you get two options. The first one is Keep My Files, which is the main focus of this video. And the second one is Remove Everything. So if you wanted to give your computer away or sell it, you might want to click on Remove Everything so that it's completely deleted and no personal files are left on your computer or your laptop. However, if you're having problems with your laptop and you plan on keeping it and you want to keep your files, then click here, and when you do, Getting Things Ready happens, and then boom, plug in your PC. Okay, obviously this is not going to proceed any further unless I plug my laptop into an AC outlet and run off of AC power versus battery power. And this is a good thing, because if the battery suddenly died during this process, it would really mess up Windows really bad, and that would not be good. Okay, let's go ahead and verify that I am running on battery power, and we can go down to the taskbar here. And as you can see, I am still on battery, and let me go ahead and plug in the AC outlet, and once I do, we will see two things. On the taskbar, it shows that the battery is recharging now, and also Getting Things Ready pops up again, and that means that it automatically moved forward once I plugged in the AC power. Now keep in mind, Getting Things Ready, this won't take long. It can take a good couple of minutes to a good 20 minutes, depending on the speed and performance of your computer or your laptop here. So give it time, and once it's completed, you'll get this message here: ready to reset this PC. Resetting will change settings back to their defaults. It will also keep your personal files, because that's what we wanted to do, and that's the option we chose earlier. Remove all apps and programs. Now keep that in mind, that all the apps that you might have installed during the lifetime of your laptop while you were running Windows 10 are going to disappear. They will be removed, and here's a list of the apps that are going to be removed off of this computer once I continue to move forward on resetting this computer. And I will have to reinstall them if I want to use them again, and you will have to do the same thing. Okay, let's go ahead and go back here, and we will go ahead and continue forward by going down and clicking on Reset, and it will go ahead and restart your laptop computer. And keep in mind, it's not unusual for your laptop computer to restart a few times. It may or may not. And during the resetting of this computer here, it is going to install Windows 10 the original Windows 10, the installation, as if you had your computer turned on for the very first time, except all your personal files will be saved, and those would be your pictures, your music, your data files, and so forth. However, none of your apps or games that you had installed on your laptop computer will be saved. Those will need to be reinstalled if you want to use them. And this process of reinstalling Windows can take up to a good 30 minutes to even a couple of hours. So bear that in mind. And so at this point, just sit back and relax, and it'll go through the installation of Windows with the Windows desktop being displayed on your laptop computer. Okay, that's the end of this video tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like, and leave a like if you like.